is Evan Stone. I am on the HRBT going westbound. And and with all this traffic going on, there is a pretty aggressive driver that was riding in the shoulder throughout the entire length of traffic, and he cut somebody off right behind me, and then he just stopped and is really just being antagonistic to the person behind me. He's holding the entire lane up, and he's just being very rude, weaving all over.
Now he's tailgating you.
Now he's tailgating me. Oh, he just hit a traffic cone. He's gonna hit me. He is really being aggressive right now. Like, he is beyond tailgating me right now. He's hitting cones. He's, yeah, I'm pretty actually worried. I'm not going to lie to you. It is a black male. It's a black male with a beanie on. Dude, he's going to hit me.
I mean, honestly, if I were you, I would literally pull off to the side of the road and let him go. I honestly would do that. Do you want me to type? Just film this. No, don't hit me. Yeah. I'm going to call 911.
No. Come on, man!
I'm going to call
Come on, man!
I'm going to call 911. I'm going to call 911. He's going to try and run. He's going to try and run.
Call 911.
He's going. He's going. He's going. He's going.
Pull over!
Oh, that guy just ran a red. Oh.
vehicles in total.
Delays coming up the Hume motorway from Denham Court, to Preston's. 7-Eleven's freshly ground coffee is smooth, creamy and exactly how you like it every single time. And it's only $1. Tasting is believing at 7-Eleven. Good call. I'm Tim Govers on Sydney's 104.1 Today FM.
Messages, you know, you never erase anything unless it's an affair.
Nice comment, because the more people do that, the higher up in the feeds we go, and then we can keep producing the show, because other people are going to discover us and
Lock file.
Or whatever it's called in Hamden.
You mean the sex shop there?
Yeah.
I think I was with you.
Were we?
Yeah, we took Brian or something.
Holy!
Yeah, he's gonna die.
You just casually say that. That scared the shit out of me, man.
Left 2 lanes got a wreck in it. Left 2 lanes got a wreck in it.
This is my commentary of what not to do at an intersection. As you can see, the people coming from the west have the advance. They are turning left onto the highway. Their advance is just about to end. In fact, it ends right here. This guy with the trailer probably shouldn't have gone through. The next guy, very risky, but this one in the black pickup truck definitely shouldn't have tried to get through. And the guy in front of me hits him. Whose fault was it? You know, it's tough to say. The guy turning left took a big risk, but the guy in front of me saw that happening. If I saw it happening, he for sure saw it happening, and he shouldn't have gone.